because of the fact that you exist, you are blessed. For you are created out of divine material, out of divine light. You are the infinite creator. And your existence was a conscious decision, a conscious thing, a conscious choice. Act in like manner. Be of like mind. Respect yourselves. Love yourselves unconditionally. For out of unconditional love were you created. And out of unconditional love shall you create anything you desire. Know your integrity. Manifest your integrity. Manifest your honesty. It is your sharpest sword, the sharpest weapon you have ever had. But now it is a weapon of peace, a weapon of joy, a weapon of love, and a weapon only in the sense that it will cut through all manifestations that are what you do not desire. Begin to feel the wave of your connection. Begin to feel the energy of your interlinking with all thought forms, all consciousness, all civilizations, all eyes, all ideas, all mind, all hearts, all soul, all spirit is one. And you are one within that sea, within that pool.